it is Jackson Smith once again. As you guys can see, if you have not watched all my videos on my channel yet, as you can see, we are in a familiar, or not a familiar place actually. Probably asking yourself, well, where are we? Today we are in my barn going to do a little, talk on my garage doors. So, as you can see, we have a big, I don't know how wide this garage door is and how tall it is. It is a CHI overhead door garage door. We are going to put and torsion spring. We are going to put garage door openers in there. See in here. As you can see, there's outlet up there, GDO, and then there's actually one over here. We might put one for this swing out door, but there it is. We might not. So yeah. I can get you guys the outside. There isn't, I don't think it is on. I'm pretty sure it's not on because, why would you have it on? I'm guessing it's not marked in there. So I'm guessing it's either that one, that one, or that one, or that one. So, yeah. Oh, kitty cat. Hi, he's so fat and all he will do is eat. Darn cat. But he's a good cat. I can show you the outside of this garage door. Oh, and we do have a lock, like on every other garage door. And a rope. Like, every new garage door in a new house or something. Oh. Dog barking. I wonder where it is. Oh, look at it. As you can see, this garage door is white panels. I'm going to guess. Feels like a dying dog. This is a 5x8 garage door. 5 panels. 8 squares on each panel. I mean, that sounds just like a dying dog. It's weird. But we do have people who live behind us, so it does make sense. Camera, that's scary. We do. So if we do, I'm thinking we should get a Lookmaster WLED. Because my dad would, we do have a lot of LED lights in there. My dad would have had to turn any of them on because it's pretty much wasting electric, and there's I don't know how many in there. There's one upstairs, and it's 3. Well, 3 rows. I don't know how many. But, could get a Lookmaster WLED. I think we could move that, or get rid of the Craftsman or something, or put that on the swing out door. And we could get a WLED for this door and my garage over there, with the Sears Craftsman that's in there. The 100 horsepower model 139 dot 59. No, I typed the first time. 139.52. No, 53920. There. Alright, I'm gonna head inside because it sounds like it just gets every 5 seconds or so. Oh, and I can show you the outside of the. Oh, my dad actually had this open. I closed it because I did a little mess up on this, so I had to delete it. On the outside of this door, it kind of matches it. That door, but not really. It does. This looks. It's white. Has black of this. I mean, my mom and dad had a little argue. Not really an argue, but a little fight. Not a fight. Okay. Whatever I call it. As you can see, I'm wearing a jacket. It's like sunny, 61 degrees. I still think it's cold. Anyway, these are white wood doors with windows. I do like these windows. Like, I wish I had one on my front door, which we don't. Which I do not like. Here. Oh, there's my lazy cat. So that's all I have to give you, but still, we possibly might have a, GDO. That's opener on there. If we don't, I'll let you guys know. But that'll be a while because I don't know if my dad's gonna put in the ceiling. Right now, he's working on built-ins in my house, so yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Don't give it, if you don't want to give it a thumbs up, don't, because I know this was a pretty boring video. Anyway, my next video will be, I don't know when. I think I'm going to start doing like a video like weekly if I'm not busy or if I'm not traveling or anything. Unless if it's a GDO at my cousin's house, a garage door opener at my cousin's house, or a garage door or something. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye!